Hello, some people have asked me about this question here for the BI 548 growth workshop, and here is my approach, the way how I would do it. So first of all, let's try to understand what this question means. So you have a culture, and this has grown overnight, and it has an OD of 1.2 at 10 o'clock in the morning. Now you want to inoculate another culture, and this culture is a total of 20 milliliter, and you want this culture to have an OD of 0.2 at 1 or at 1300 hours. So the question is basically, how much of this culture do you actually need to put in so that at 10 o'clock it starts growing, and at 1 o'clock it has an OD of 0.2. So what we know is that we have our final absorbance, A final equals 0.2, and the final time is 1300 hours. And we want to know, since this is a logarithmic growth curve, we want to know what is the concentration, the initial concentration at the starting time, and this is 10 o'clock. So this is basically what we have. We also have given a doubling time. And this doubling time is T2/1 is equals 45 minutes. Now we know that this refers to a first order reaction, and we can actually write the equation for a first order reaction. A final equals A initial times E to the power of, and since it's a growth we have a plus K times delta T. And this delta T refers to T final minus T initial. Now, how do we get our K? Well, we know that K equals 0.693 divided by the doubling time. And we have A final, we have K, we have T. So in this case it would be 3 hours, and 3 hours is 3 times 60 minutes equals 180 minutes. And our K would be also given as minute to the minus 1. That's our K, because we've got minutes down here. And all we need to do is calculate what this A initial is. And then, once we've got the A initial, so we have A initial, our initial one, we can calculate simply how much of the starter culture we need. And we can do that just simply by saying, by using C1 V1 equals C2 V2, because the A, the absorbance, relates to concentration. So that is how we can find out what is the volume actually of this starter culture, what is the volume that we need to put in our culture so that after 3 hours we basically get this OD. So I hope this helps, and thank you very much for watching.